Let's define what is digital literacy. Digital literacy is the ability to access, evaluate, and effectively use digital technologies for communication, problem-solving, and creating information. It ensures responsible and ethical participation in the digital world. Key components of digital literacy: understanding how to access digital tools and information, critically analyzing online information for credibility and relevance, producing digital content responsibly and ethically, using technology to share ideas and collaborate efficiently. Now, let's know about the importance of digital literacy. Digital literacy is essential for navigating technology, enhancing work and educational opportunities, ensuring online safety, and fostering responsible digital citizenship, enabling individuals to thrive in a connected, technology-driven world. Let's peep into the past as we focus on the early computers. Abacus, discovered around 2000 BC, the first tool used for calculations. Charles Babbage's analytical engine in 1837, considered the first design for a mechanical computer. As the first electronic computers, ENIAC, in 1945, one of the first fully electronic computers used for military calculations. Mainframe computer between the 1950s to the 1960s. Large and powerful computers used by companies and governments. The personal computers in the 1970s. The introduction of personal computers, like the Apple II and the IBM PC, made computers more accessible to individuals and small businesses. In the 1990s, the rise of the Internet, making computers a hub for communication, learning, and shopping. In the modern days, computers are small, portable, and powerful, integrated into everyday devices like smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Now, shifting towards basic computer terminology, let's start with hardware. The physical parts of a computer that you can touch is known as hardware. Examples of hardware are keyboard, mouse, screen, CPU, central processing unit, hard drive, and many more. Let's move towards software. The programs or instructions that tell the computer what to do is known as software. Examples of software are operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, applications, Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, and many more. Let's move forward with operating systems, the software that manages hardware and software resources and allows you to interact with the computer. Examples of operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, Android, and many more. Programs that help you perform specific tasks, like writing documents or browsing the internet, etc., are known as applications. Let's know what is file. A document or piece of data that is stored on a computer known as files. Files can be text, images, videos, etc. Let's know about Internet, a global network that connects millions of computers and allows them to share information and communicate. We are starting types of computers. Let's start with personal computers, PCs. In the PCs, large computers that sit on a desk and have separate parts like a monitor, keyboard, and CPU known as desktop computers. And portable computers with a screen and keyboard in one unit known as laptops. Small portable computers with a touch screen used for browsing, reading, and simple tasks are known as tablets. Examples of tablets are iPads, Android tablets, etc. Let's move towards a device which have become a major part of daily life, offering functions like calling, texting, internet browsing, and many more, known as smartphones. Examples of smartphones are iPhone, Android phones, etc. Starting with keyboard, a keyboard is a primary input device used to type text and execute commands. It consists of keys representing letters, numbers, and special symbols. Move towards mouse, a pointing device that allows users to move a cursor on the screen to select items and interact with the computer. Touchpad is found on laptops. It is a flat surface that allows users to control the mouse cursor by moving their fingers across it. Scanner is a device that converts physical documents and images into digital form. Scanners are commonly used to input images or text into the computer. Microphone is a device that captures sound and converts it into digital data, commonly used for voice commands, audio recording, and communication. Webcam is a camera used to capture video and images, often for video conferencing, streaming, or taking photos. Barcode reader scans barcodes on products and inputs the data into the computer, often used in retail and inventory systems. A joystick or game controller used mainly for gaming, it allows users to interact with games or simulation software. Monitor is a screen used to display the visual output from the computer. It shows everything from text and images to videos and software interfaces. Printer is a device that creates a physical copy, paper, of a document, image, or other digital files. Speakers are output devices that produce sound from the computer, such as music, video audio, or system notifications. They convert digital audio into audible sound. Headphones are similar to speakers but designed for personal use. Headphones provide audio output directly to the user's ears, ideal for privacy or quiet listening. Projector is a device that projects the computer's output onto a larger screen or surface, often used in presentations or to display video content in a larger format. Virtual reality (VR) headset is an immersive output device that allows users to experience 3D virtual environments, often used in gaming and simulations. We are moving towards Central Processing Unit (CPU). The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes all instructions, performs calculations, and manages data flow. In the storage devices, we are staring with primary storage that is RAM, random access memory. It is temporary memory used by the CPU to store data and instructions it is currently working on. RAM is fast but volatile, meaning it loses data when the computer is turned off. In the storage devices, we are moving towards secondary storage, a traditional storage device that stores data magnetically known as hard drive. A faster and more durable storage device that uses flash memory known as solid-state drive. External storage contains USB drives, external hard drives, and cloud storage for additional data storage and portability. System software includes programs that manage the computer hardware and provide a platform for running application software. The most important system software is the operating system, OS, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It controls memory, input-output devices, and facilitates communication between hardware and software. Application software consists of programs designed to perform specific tasks for users.